I'm in Florida. There's still 45 miles, 45 exits until Alabama. And I'm just going straight north, and it's already a show. I am driving on a massive sheet of ice right now, and this is we still haven't left Florida. Well, actually, no, I got into Alabama a little while ago, but I'm on like exit number 2 of Alabama, so here we are, barely even moving, dude. A couple hours and I haven't gone anywhere, and here we are gonna stop again. They're out here, they're whiling, they're passing in 3 inches of snow. There's a huge line in front of him. He doesn't care. He's gonna pass me though. My goodness, yo. I just got a notification that the bridge that I'm on, well, the overpass, and all bridges in the Mobile, Alabama area should be considered impassable. Here's the snow truck, or the plow truck right here, who's gonna get me through, I reckon. Hopefully. The Mobile, Alabama over there, y'all. Way out in the distance. Couldn't get much worse.